How do you get more eyes on your Facebook page consistently? Doing Facebook stories. Let me just show you real quickly. When it comes to Facebook stories, this is a strategy that you can use for your Facebook page that will keep people on there and keep people interested consistently. So let me just show you real quickly here how to do it from a PC. So here's the back end. This is my page. And what I'm going to do is go to the Meta Business Suite. Well, in the Meta Business Suite, I'm going to go to Planner. And this is going to show you where all your videos and your text posts lie. And what I'm going to do is just grab one of these here. So let's grab this one in particular. I'm just going to click on it. Again, we're still in the planner. And what I'm going to do is go to the far right here where you see the three dots. And it says reshare to story. Okay, again, reshare to Facebook story. Your Facebook post will be added to your Facebook story. We're going to go ahead and click add to story. So as you can see, there's power in Facebook stories and keeping people really quite engaged. Now, if you want to learn more about stories, I did create a free PDF checklist of stories, how to understand them, what you should post, and that will help out your journey a bit more. So be sure to head to the description box below to find out more about how you can learn more about Facebook stories and what you can do to create a lot more leverage. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video.